Hi, this is a Wolf dual fuel stove. It has gas on the top and the oven is heated by electrical elements. The oven is failing to preheat. It's been, the owner tried to use it. They turned it on to bake. They set the temperature at 400 and it took an hour and 20 minutes and never made it there, and it only got up to like 350. So we got to figure out what is going on here. There is an element underneath the stove. There's an element below the oven, and we've got to take this panel off. And there's a Phillips head screw here, and there's one over here that we need to take off and then remove this bottom panel. So the bottom panel has been removed. There's just two Phillips screws that hold this on, and then it just comes off. Now we need to look under there and find the element, the heating element, and check it. So looking under here, there is a heating element. You see the line going to it, the power, the wiring, and it's in a pan right here underneath the oven. So there's two screws I see here that will release that pan. So I'm going to take them out. So I've taken the two screws out, and this allows this panel to come down. We can pull it out, and now we're going to access that pan up there. That pan has the lower heating element in it, believe it or not. So I just started pulling on this, and it's coming out. You can see the pan dropping down, and I'm going to work on getting it out of there so we can see that element. This is interesting. That pan is held into position by these pins coming off its side. So you can't pull it all the way out, but you can pull it forward enough. And the slots in the sides allow the pan to drop so that you can lift the heating element pan out. And there is the heating element. It's obviously damaged. It's broken. So this is probably the culprit why that oven is not heating up like it should. Okay, so look in there where that heating element was, and you might find parts of the heating element still stuck in there. Apparently it came loose and welded to the sheet metal above it. So anyway, I've just got a cut-off saw, and I'm going to start working to, it's kind of welded on there with the heat. So I'm just using that to reach way back there. Anything long will go in there. And just kind of clean that off, and then pull that heating element, that bad broken heating element out. So on the back of this heating element is printed information that we can use to figure out where to get a new one. So from here I'm going to order a new panel, a new heating element, and just put it back together the way we took it apart. See you later.